Imagine transforming your living room into a private cinema, powered by laser light. This is the Hisense Vidda C3 series. With 4 models, Vidda C3, C3S, C3 Pro, and C3 Ultra, Hisense delivers a projector for every kind of viewer, from the casual binge watcher to the full-blown cinephile. Let's start with the base model, Vidda C3. At just 6,399 yuan, it's built for balance. 1,850 lumens of laser-powered brightness, smooth performance thanks to the MT9681 chipset, and 1.3 times optical zoom for perfect screen sizing. And yes, it still packs tricolor laser technology and smart body sensing. Affordable doesn't mean basic anymore. Next up, Vidda C3S. At 6,999 yuan, it turns up the brightness to 2,200 lumens, making it ideal for brighter rooms. And here's the kicker, Harman JBL audio integration. Because what's a great picture without sound that hits just right? Now we're getting serious. The C3 Pro, priced at 9,499 yuan, is the first in the world to feature the MCL39 cinema-grade laser. That means 2,800 lumens, customizable throw ratios from 0.9 to 1.5 to 1, and 4 GB RAM with 128 GB storage. Your content will load fast and look flawless. And finally, Vidda C3 Ultra, the apex. 3,200 lumens of brightness, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, and a 2.1-channel Harman JBL system with a pan-tilt subwoofer. This isn't just a projector, it's your personal IMAX. Every model supports Dolby Vision for mind-blowing contrast and color. All include 1.3 times lossless optical zoom and blazing fast gigabit Ethernet for seamless streaming. And that tricolor laser? It delivers richer colors, better brightness, and serious efficiency across the board. Whether you're watching a blockbuster gaming with friends or hosting family movie night, there's a Vidda C3 that fits your vision. Hisense isn't just competing, it's redefining what home entertainment can be. Explore the new Vidda C3 series today, and bring the future of cinema into your home.